that is the common mistake a lot of you guys make. You'll multiply in the first two terms and then the last two you'll add together for some reason.
Well, lots of practice where I'm great confidence in these guys. Okay, so here's the tricky one. Let's start with this one. Okay. I'm going to open this up to anybody here. Okay? This volunteer has to raise their hand up. Taylor, you got it. What's it going to be? 8x. Now just remember that's supposed to be 4x times 2x, right? So 4x times 2x. I'm not saying it's 8x. You're very close. So 4 times 2 is 8, right? Yeah, go ahead. You do the power of that. You do the power of that. What's the power of that? 8x power of 2. Right. You do 2x's, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, and then x times x is x squared. So remember that squared means number times itself, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, and then x times x is x squared. With that knowledge, Julia's going to help us out for the next one. Okay. So Julia, I'd like you to be brave? Okay, we'll be brave later. Okay? We'll be brave later. All right. Julia's passing this one, which is okay. We'll go on to Anne, who is almost late today. Whoops, I hope everyone doesn't watch this video. I hope everyone doesn't watch this video. Okay, so what's 3x times 4x going to be?
12x squared.
Good. So the way she got that, I hope, was 3 times 4 is 12, and x times x is x squared. Please be brave and raise your hand and ask, okay, if you don't get that. Okay? Because 3 times 4 is 12, and then x times x is x squared, so 12x squared. Sort of good? Okay. I think I want to get your name, Anthony. Anthony? Perfect.
Yeah, Anthony.
3. Please don't call him. 3x times 3 is going to be what?
9.
Almost? 9x. Right? Because 3 times 3 is 9, and then x just carries through. Okay? It's going to be 12x squared plus 9x. Mrs. Moore, do you have any questions or comments here? Or moments of insight or brilliance for us there?
No.
Because these are ones, there's just a few little tricky parts here, so you just got to get used to using numbers and letters. Okay? That's all we're doing. Okay? Just get used to using numbers and letters. All right. Try this. This is the hardest one I can think of. Are you ready? Come on, have some fun. This is the hardest one I can think of. Negative 5x, 2x minus 3. So take a second, give it a try. I'll click on Hudson in a minute here, okay? But I want you to take a second, give it a try here, okay? Now remember, it's okay, again, what we want in this course is what? Being here every day and good effort. That's what we want, right? If you have that, positivity is good too. If you have those 3 things, you'll have no problem in this course, right? So good effort is the main thing, okay? I want you to try your best. All right, Hudson, how you feeling?
Very good.
Okay, try the first one for me, please. Negative 5x times 2x is what?
We multiply negative 5 times 2.
Yeah, which is?
Negative 10.
Good.
And then x squared.
Yeah, negative 10 and x squared, very good. See that? Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And then x times x is x squared, very good, awesome. All right, Mason, my cousin. So I promise I wouldn't say that word. Negative 5x times negative 3 is what, please? 15x. Awesome. Did your parents come to interviews, Mason? No? Well, I saw this is sort of. I'm going to pause this so the internet doesn't hear. I'm going to pause this so the internet doesn't hear this. Okay. This is important for us because we can actually do this for algebra now. Okay, so there's a lot of algebra in grade 10, like lots and lots and lots of algebra. So I want to move on to doing storms.
Breathe, Mr. Sadler.
I can't, I'm too excited. All right. I got it. One person understands. Okay, 4, 2x minus 3 equals 10. This is the type of question you're going to be asked today, I guarantee, because I'm giving the question. Okay? So 4 bracket 2x minus 3 equals 10. Now this looks frightening. It looks sort of like the last page. Sorry, looks like I lost your name there. Lucas, looking at that left-hand bracket, what do you think you should do with that left-hand bracket? Is this right here? This one right here. Yeah. So tell me what to do. Tell me what to do then.
U times 2.
Yeah. So 4 times 2x is?
4 8.
Yeah. What the x sums of the two, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, and the x sums what?
Then you do 4 times negative 3.
Yeah, which is?
Negative 12.
Good. Now, I'm not picking on, sorry, my mind's going blank. I'm not picking on the guy who changed spot to Lucas on here, but if your times tables aren't the best thing in the world, not that yours aren't, okay, but if they weren't, okay, it might be something to get ready to practice, because we're going to need times tables big time in grade 10. Mr. Moore, do you agree with this?
Yes.
There's one unit in particular that's, if you know your times table, it's going to be really, really easy. And if you don't know your times tables, it's going to be a nightmare. Okay, so if you don't quite know your times tables, that's fine. This is staying up here in the whole. This is staying up here the whole way. Even when I teach grade 12, I leave this up there for them. Okay, right? So, but times tables in high school is something you sort of need. Okay. All right.
So I passed my exam.
I copied off that. Oh, it was, forget it, I'm not doing that. The exam was not write out your times tables. That was not my grade 9 exam, okay, if you're wondering.
I guessed everything, and I still passed with like a 70 on that exam.
Caleb, don't listen to him. Caleb, what's my next step, please? Add 12. So 8x.
Mr. Sadler, can you just write my exam for this year?
Yeah, no problem. I'll write it up and then I'll give it to you to work on yourself, okay? All right, last step here. So I got 22. 10 plus 12, I think, is 22.
Yeah, it's 22.
Dale, and the last step here is going to be what, please?
Divided by 8.
Divide by 8. This may take a calculator or a teacher with a brain here, so that should be...
Which is 4.
All right?
Yeah.
I will try and get the answers to work out, but if I can't always make it happen, I'm sorry. Okay, right? So if you want to leave your answers, that's equals 22 over 8, I'm okay with that. Okay, right? That's fine for me. Now, this was this is the beginning of a grade 10 question, I think. Wouldn't you say? It's the beginning of a grade 10 question. Okay? So I want to make sure that these are sort of okay. Please be back. Can everyone close your eyes for a sec? This is a good example. Close your eyes for a quick second. Okay, raise your hand if you feel wonderful about this last example, please. Raise your hand if you feel okay but could do some more work. Raise your hand if you feel hideous with that first example. Okay. This is more where your eyes are open. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Letter I. Okay, so take a second and try this one out. Okay? So again, get rid of the brackets first, and then move it across on the last step. Alright? those ones. Anytime, I'm always right here. You can just come any day you want, you just come in here, you know that? Okay, where's Spidey stop at? Here? 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 I think it did stop here. Did it stop at Dale? Stop shaking your head at me. Where did it stop at? I did Mason, I remember that, so I didn't do it, right?
We have to get rid of that.
Adam, you're up first. Okay, you ready? Am I recording this? Oops. Oh, yeah, I'm recording this. All right. Adam, I'd like you to be brave, please. What's my very first step going to be? You going? Five. Awesome. Really, really good. Oh, I'm sorry for your name. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Shaylin. I'm sorry. Shaylin, my next step here, please, is what? Yeah. What's the opposite of negative 15? Positive 15. So 5x minus 15. Okay. Sorry, Vanessa, I forgot your name too. Vanessa, so this just turns into on this side? Just 5x, good. And 10 plus 15 is? 25, very good. Taylor, last step here, 5x equals 25. Last step's going to be? Okay, I have one more example, then we're going to do some group work, okay? One last example.
Do you want us to write like
You can skip it if you want, so I'd like it if you would. This is more how do you feel about things. This more does a lot of the marking than this course.
It doesn't, to me, it doesn't matter if you're confident leaving that out.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm going to write letter J on the board, and this is going to be the star question. Okay? This is letter J. So if you're playing on your phone, time to focus on this one. Okay? So here's the last question. Okay, this question looks hideous. We can do it though. Okay? I'll take you guys through it, and we'll gain confidence. You guys can handle this. Okay? I'm going to pause the video and stop the video actually. I'm going to give you a minute to try this one. And hopefully Mrs. Fitzsimmons will get here and you can show her how smart you guys are. I see people using their calculators, and that's great. That's what calculators are for. Okay? Calculators